Where's the... Put it back, man.
Viewer discretion is advised. After crashing his car on the A15 at Werrington, police found cannabis, cash, and a machete on him. Now here's where it gets mad. Weeks later, same guy, different stop. And guess what? More weed. Another blade. Man was speed running his way to jail.
23, the Misuse of Drugs Act, okay? Things I've got to tell you, my name's Mark, my collar number 712 from Fort Police Station, okay?
No problem.
The reason I'm searching you is because I've seen you stood here on more than one occasion over the last week or so, always stood in this same spot, always moving to get away from us. I'm searching you, you absolutely stink of cannabis, and this jacket has been thrown over the wall upon you seeing us. So I suspect you're here possibly dealing and we're therefore being in possession of drugs, okay?
No problem.
So I'm obviously looking for drugs or any items that may be linked to the supply of drugs.
They're happy there, the shop people.
Have you got any drugs on you?
Maybe I have, yeah.
Maybe you have.
Yes. I just not making good part now, man.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags. Oh, hello, sir.
When officers searched him, they found a machete and multiple bags of cannabis. He tried to play it down, but the officer clocked it quick.
So you don't mention any questions which later in court. Anything you do say may be given in evidence.
Please, no problem, put it back. It's no good.
423, can I get a van to Sergeant Street, junction with Lincoln
car.
Road?
It's no good.
No, not yet, you've been searched, mate.
You got anything in sharp anywhere else?
What?
Any other knives anywhere else?
No, man, I have something here.
Alright, stay there, don't move.
I'm not moving, man. I'm not running, I'm not moving.
Yeah, you're further under arrest for possession and intent to supply.
No problem.
Suspected Class B, okay?
No problem, brother.
Caution still applies.
No problem, no problem.
More cannabis.
He's now been jailed for 36 weeks after admitting he was involved in supplying cannabis, carrying 2 bladed weapons in public, and having pepper spray, which counts as a noxious weapon. And on top of that, he's been ordered to give up £645 and 50 pence in cash, which will be donated to Cambridge Women's Aid.